Unit 2, right triangle trigonometry.
These are the standards. Sine, the ratio of the length of the side that is opposite to the angle to the length of the longest side of the triangle. Cosine, the length of the adjacent side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Tangent, the angle of the tan of its complement are reciprocals. Formulas. Sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite over adjacent. (45, 45, 90 triangles. In this type of right triangle, there are two angles with 45 degrees and one angle at 90 degrees. 30, 60, 90 triangles. In this type of triangle, there are one angle at 30 degrees, one angle at 60 degrees, and another angle at 90 degrees. The acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. Complementary angles are made up of 90 degrees. The trigonometric function of the complement of an angle is called a function. Angle of elevation, the angle formed by a horizontal line and the line of sight to a point above the line. Angle of depression, the angle formed by a horizontal line and the line of sight to a point below the line. You can use a clinometer to help you figure out what the angle of elevation and depression are. Solving right triangles. To solve a right triangle, find the measure of all its missing parts. You can solve a right triangle if you know either of the following. 1, 2 side lengths, 1 side length, and 1 acute angle measures. If sine A equals X, then sine -1 equals M angle A. If cosine A equals X, then cosine -1 equals M angle A. If tangent A equals X, then tangent -1 equals M angle A. Pythagorean theorem. Formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The two sides are A and B, and then the C is the hypotenuse.